My name is John Paul C. Sumbiling. I report Chapter 3, Lesson 2, Legal Classification of Evidence. Ability to establish a fact of evidence. Direct evidence and circumstantial evidence. Direct evidence. It is that which proves the fact in dispute without the aid of any inferences or perception. Circumstantial evidence. The proof of fact or facts that is taken either singly or collectively. Degree of value is establishing a disputed fact of an evidence. Prima facie evidence. This evidence suffices for the proof of a particular fact uncontracted by other evidence. Conclusive evidence. This evidence is controvertible or one which the law does not allow to be contracted. Corroborative evidence. This evidence is of different kind and character as that already given and tends to prove the same proposition. Cumulative evidence. This evidence is of the same kind and characters as the already given and tends to prove the same position. Weight and acceptability of an evidence. Primary or best evidence. The evidence affords the greatest certainty of the fact in question. Secondary of substitutionary evidence. This evidence is inferior to primary evidence and admissible only the absence of latter. Nature of an evidence. Object evidence. This evidence is addressed to the court. This is also known as autoptic evidence or real evidence. Documentary evidence. This refers to evidence supplied by written instrument. Testimonial evidence. This evidence is either verbal or oral and consists of the narration of disposition by one who was observed of that to which he is testifying. Positive evidence and negative evidence. Positive evidence, this is evidence exists if the witness affirms that a fact did or did not occur, since the witness represents his personal knowledge about the presence or absence of a fact. Negative evidence. This evidence exists if the witness states that he did not see and there is total disclaimer for personal knowledge. Quality of an evidence. Relevant evidence and material evidence. Relevant evidence. Evidence is relevant if it has relation to the fact in issue as to induce belief in its existence or non-existence. Material evidence. This evidence tends to prove the fact in issue and is determined by the rules of substantive law or the rules of court. Admissible and credible evidence. Admissible evidence. Evidence is admissible. Evidence is admissible if it's relevant to the issue, is not excluded by the rules of court. Credible evidence. Evidence is credible if it is not only admissible evidence but also believable and used by the court in deciding cases. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching and listening.